Hey YouTube, today we're opening a baseball. I just opened baseball up here, right here, and yeah, seems. So today we're just gonna unwrap a baseball and see what's inside. Guys, now we just have this part cut off and torn, and now Josh is pulling this bluish black
yarn kind of
yarn. Yeah. Hey everybody, now we have some kind of rubber ball, and it actually bounces pretty well. Yeah. Okay everybody, so you saw this ball, and there's actually this baseball I showed you in the beginning of the thing, and that yarn you saw, there was a lot of it, even more. And now here's like the white stuff. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment down below what you want us to do next. Peace out.